Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Skin Time TV with Ashley. So it's been a while since you guys have seen me unboxing my skincare fridge, which by the way, I absolutely have been just like loving it. Like I literally put everything in there. It's like overloaded now. But yeah, I've had it for like a couple months, several months, maybe even, and it's starting to like leak because a lot of like bottles that aren't super small and can't stand upright have to sit sideways, and over time it's just stuff getting everywhere and like oozing out and all this stuff, and it's just starting to get a little nasty in there, and we need to clean it out. So as you can see, it's here hanging tight, looking good. Just ignore this little corner over here. The light still works and everything, and I use it pretty often actually. But while we're all here, yeah, the inside. So let me show you what it looks like. All of that's a problem. That's gotta go. And you can see like dripping, just random turmeric here, just getting a little crusty and dusty, and I don't know, it's pretty clean on the shelf in there, but might just give everything a little wipe down. There's like condensation on the back. Just wipe it all down, just give it a little love, and like even the bottom of here. So that's pretty much what's going on there, but we're gonna get it all cleaned out and wiped down. I don't think it'll take me any longer than like 10 to 15 minutes, to be quite honest, and just repack everything just a little bit cuter. I actually have old stuff in here. Like I made this a couple episodes back and it was only supposed to last a week, especially because it's all fresh ingredients, fresh strawberry and kiwi. So we're gonna let this go, but I did use it. It just looks like it hasn't been used and is pretty full, but it doesn't require that much. So let's get this sucker cleaned. So that literally only took 9 minutes. Like that's it. So super quick, super easy. I mean, I didn't think or anticipate that it would take extra long because it's pretty neat, and I use it on a daily basis. So what I really think helps it not get so bad is that it's such a small space that I use on a daily basis. So it's like it has to stay organized for things, or relatively organized for things to actually fit in here. But the biggest thing was like the messiness that had come about from just things leaking and things like that. So that's what really needed the attention more than the reorganizing, and now it's gotten both. So it looks really good. Let you see. Wham bam, and just like that. Cute little project. Everything is clean. Even the condensation on the back is rubbed off. This actually goes in order from like cleanser, toner, serum. So I use everything in this order, and then everything that fits down below is there, and everything that can be upright sits down there, as well as my jade roller. Got my gua sha and my eye roller under here, and then I have some eye cream that is small enough to fit in the drawer. So boom, bada bam, ba bam, and that's it, guys. So once again, thanks so much for tuning in to this week's episode. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, as well as the notification bell so that you do not miss a single beat when next week's episode drops. And then most importantly, share this video with anybody that you know and love, anybody with a skincare fridge, anybody who could just benefit from a little R&R, easy video, whatever. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.